Welcome back to Automotive Detailing. In this video, I got a review on Malco's complete wheel and tire cleaner. Let's do it. So I've been looking for a good wheel and tire cleaner, something I can use all in one, and I have heard really good things about this product right here. I bought it by the gallon. That's what they sell it by a gallon anyways, and I bought a sprayer for it. But let me read you the directions. It says it's a non-acid, which is the biggest thing to me. I know that it's going to be safe on my wheels. It's not going to etch my wheels at all. I can use it over and over and over and have no issues at all. Acid wheel cleaners eventually start wearing on your wheels. Non-acid and tire cleaner is a time-saving tire and wheel cleaner in one, safe on virtually all types of wheels. This unique blend of cleaners dissolves and loosens burnt-on brake pad dust, grease, oil, and dirt. Complete non-acid wheel and tire cleaner restores a clean look of tires in addition to leaving the wheels bright and shiny. And that's what I'm really looking for more than anything is the tires, because I can't seem to find anything that works really well on tires that's not crazy expensive. The directions are: spray product directly onto the wheels and tires. Do not use on hot wheels. Let solution work for up to 5 minutes and rinse away brake dust and dirt. Do not let product dry on tires. For heavy soils, agitation with a wheel or tire brush may be necessary to loosen soils. Treat one wheel at a time. Malco will not accept responsibility for damaged wheels and tires resulting from either intentional or accidental misuse of this product. So I'm not going to leave them on there for 5 minutes. I think you guys know me by now. I'm going to spray it on like I would normally do my wheel cleaners, and I'm going to agitate it the way that I normally will. I don't like using a product that I spray on and just spray off with a hose. I'm going to actually agitate it to get the best cleaning I can and hopefully do it all in one step instead of spraying it on, let it dwell, spray it off, and the next thing you know, they're not all the way clean. And I'm not saying this product won't do that. It might, but I don't want to have to go back over a second time to use even more product. So I'm going to fill up the bottle here in just a second, and we're going to do it out here on the journey.
Okay, so I washed this car before we went to Florida, which was about a week ago. We did about 1,800 miles and dodging hurricanes and rain and everything else. It is filthy. I'm actually doing another video on it right now, a review video. You guys will see that one before this video. But here is the car. It's not terrible. It's a lot of brake dust. And I'm really curious if it's going to get rid of the tire shine that I applied here. As you can tell, the tire shine held up really well. It is Adam's tire shine that I put on here. And that's one of the reasons I like it, because it dries to the touch and it stays on there for a while. Like I said, it went 1,800 miles and tire still looks pretty good, but I want to get it off. Every time that I put tire shine on, I like to start over, wash the car, let's get all the tire shine off it and start over. So that's what I'm hoping this product does for me. But as you can see, like I said, the wheels are not terrible, but they definitely need cleaned. So I've got this is the sprayer that I got. I kind of spilled it when I put it in there, it's wet. This is the sprayer I got from Malco. It kind of smells like oranges. Doesn't smell bad at all. Like I said, I'm not one to spray on and not agitate. We're going to agitate. Kind of need more of a stream. There we go. Oh, I forgot my lug nut brush. We're gonna let it sit there and dwell for at least 30 seconds or so, like I normally do on all my other wheel cleaners, before we actually do anything. Beautiful day. It's about 54 degrees. A little bit chilly, but good car washing weather. Don't have to worry about spotting. So what am I doing? When I use my lug nut brush, I spray into it. I just get some product in there. Get in there around the lug nuts. I know you guys have heard me say this before, but typically when I see wheels that the clear coat's coming off of them, it's usually starting around the lug nuts, because nobody ever really cleans in there. Salt and stuff kind of sits in there, especially if you live in a state like where I live. So always clean out your lug nuts. And I got this off of Griot's garage. Not off of them, I bought it from them. Griot's garage. You can get it on their website. If I remember, I'll put it down in the
in the description, and that's all it really takes. Might want to go around the cap just a little bit. I don't want to. This isn't probably not going to scratch because it's boar's hair, but I don't really want to scratch up the chrome. Okay, now we're gonna go in here. I think I'm gonna put it on the tires one more time because it's not drying, but it doesn't. I don't want it to. Go ahead and get the barrels of the wheels. This is my easy detail, my large easy detail brush. Once again, pre-soak it. Start at the top, work your way down. Love this tool because I can get in between the caliper and the wheel. Not on all wheels, but on most. And you can bend it if you need to bend it. Spray my wheel cleaner. I can tell you it's doing something to the tires because I can see it. It's taking that tire shine off without me even touching it. I'm still going to agitate it though. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love Griot's Garage's wheel cleaner. The green wheel cleaner I use all the time, and I'll still continue to buy that. But I was looking for an all-in-one that would hopefully save me money when I'm doing people's cars. Not mine. Instead of using all the expensive stuff on people's cars, I can find something a little cheaper but will work really well as an all-in-one. That's why I got it. Okay. See how dirty it is? Not terrible. See, I don't even dip in the wheel bucket. Look how clean it is. Okay, now we're going to do the tires. And we are going to rinse it all off. See what it takes off the tires and wheels. I'll put it down so you guys can see the bottom of the wheel. See how much it takes off. Oh yeah, it's coffee looking. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to dry it. And once the tire is completely dry, so I can show you guys, we'll come back. Okay, I've done all four. This one is clean. This one's dry, I guess I should say. See the wheel? Squeaky clean, works really well. It smells like an orange hand cleaner. That's the best way I can describe it. And here's the tire. There is no more tire dressing left, and it's still drying, as you can see. But there's no more tire dressing left. It took all of it off. I mean, it worked really well, better than anything I've tried to date. I have not tried Adam's tire and rubber cleaner, but I'm looking for something that's going to be cost effective for me. This is $32 a gallon is what I paid for it, and I can get, well, so $32 a gallon. I filled this up one time, this bottle, and I've still got 3/4 of a bottle left. So I can get quite a few cars out of it. I'm gonna go around and show you the rest of the wheels. They're still drying. This wheel and tire. This tire looks even better than that one did. There's absolutely no tire dressing left. Like I said, they're all still drying. I air dried them with my Echo blower, but they just look like brand new sidewalls. And this one I just got done doing, and I dried it the best I could. I'm trying to get the wheels and tires done because I'm making another review video I want to get out before this weekend. And the sun's going down because this is after work, so I'm hurrying up. I'm done washing the vehicle and everything is completely dry.
The wheels and tires are dry, other than the tread's a little wet, as you can tell. But this stuff did a great job. Now, this is from me, right here. You see this? Because none of my other tires have that. This is the tire I cleaned on camera for you guys, and I did not take my time. So if you buy this product, just take your time, you know, let it dwell, agitate it, and everything will look like this right here. Look at this one. This tire, it looks like a brand new tire. There's no dressing left on it whatsoever. I mean, it looks really good, and I've had no other tire or rubber cleaner degreaser make my tires look that nice. And the wheels turned out, I mean, it works good. This is a really good product. 2 thumbs up for sure on this product. Let me go to the other side really quick, and there it is right there. See if I can. The wheels turned out really good here too. You might actually be able to get away with not agitating it. This is my first time using it. I'm noticing here too. These are spots that I did not agitate very well, but it works better than anything I've ever tried personally on my cars for tires, for cleaning my tires, and it cleans the wheels, and that's just an absolute bonus right there. This will save me money in the long run detailing cars for people. Not using my Griot stuff all the time, because that stuff is not cheap. So I wanted to find a better alternative for me when I'm detailing cars here, you know, to make a little bit of extra cash on the weekends. I can use a product that will clean both, so I'm not using a degreaser and a wheel cleaner. You know, this stuff gets expensive after a little while. So yeah, that's how well it works.
So I'm gonna say this product right here is fab approved. It works really, really well. I'm really happy with it. You guys saw the results. Take your time, let it dwell. And then once you agitate and rinse it off, it just makes the tires and wheels look brand new. They look really, really nice. I'm really, really happy with it. And this is the second Malco product that I've made a video on my YouTube channel doing reviews. And I couldn't be happier with this one, just like the Nano Care Banana Cream Wax. That product is great. It's holding up great still. This is a great product. Now, one thing I will mention is when I got done using it, I noticed my hands were a little sticky. And right now they feel really dry. And I got the product on my hands while I was agitating. So I will probably wear gloves in the future. So if you decide to buy this product, you're gonna wanna wear gloves. I'm gonna try to find it on their website. It's another one of those deals. I don't know if they sell this on their website or if you have to go to a distributor to get it. I hope they sell on their website so you guys have a chance to buy it, because it is that good. It works really well, and I highly recommend it. And you guys know I will always give you my honest opinion. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button while you're down there, hit that little bell so every time I upload a video, you get notified. And don't forget, every Saturday night, 9 p.m., we go live, and we will see you then.